Hello guys, Johannes here. Welcome to the Affiliate Method, my affiliate marketing course for beginners. Just gonna give you a quick introduction what this course is about, who it's for, who it's not for, and how you can get the most value out of this course. So first of all, it's for beginners, people who want to take the first steps in affiliate marketing. If you are an advanced affiliate marketer, you have been in the game for a few years, most likely you're not going to get that much value out of this course. Although it's never wrong to repeat the basics, of course. But if you are an absolute beginner who want to learn how to set up your first affiliate website, this course is just perfect for you. Because I've deliberately avoided a lot of information and excess details in order for you to not get overwhelmed. One of the most common reasons people fail or never even get started in affiliate marketing is because of too much information, and they get too much different instructions, which leaves them overwhelmed and paralyzed, and they never do anything. So we want to avoid that. So I made this course very simple and practical. It also means it's not the best course out there, but the point of it is not to make you an expert. The point is that you actually get started, you build your first affiliate website, and hopefully you get your first affiliate sale. And from there on, you will have enough motivation to learn and do anything. So the most important point is to actually get started to get to that point. And most likely the first website you make is not gonna be the website that makes you $1 million. So the important point is just to move forward. That being said, the best way to get value out of this course is to take action as you go through each lesson, and don't procrastinate. It's gonna be faster than you think, maximum 5 hours if you're focused, and from there on out it will be very easy to continue. So I hope you decide to take the course, and I wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey.